Good morning. Welcome to Literacy Time. I hope that you enjoyed listening to and reading the story Mongo's Migration yesterday. I hope that you were able to figure out from context clues in the text what migration was or is. Migration is when birds travel to another place for a certain season. Usually, it's birds traveling south during the wintertime to a warmer climate and then back north in the summertime, in spring and summertime. Mongo was traveling towards Mexico in the story that you read. Today, I'm going to ask for you to read the story again, and there is a link to click on that you can listen to the story, and you are also going to answer questions about the story as well. And the question asks you to use evidence from the text to support your answer. Please remember, guys, we have talked about evidence. When you are finding evidence in the text, that is the proof. That is how you are proving your answer, okay? So you can go back into the text and read back through it and look for it and actually find, if they're asking you a question, find the answer and be able to prove it with the line from the text, okay? So please remember that. Please remember to show me your work. You can upload it on here or just keep track of all of your work in your notebook so that when we get back together, I can see all of that work, okay? I want to see the awesome work that you guys are doing. Also, for your word work today, the Cycle 18 words I will have posted under the video, and you are going to play a game called Kaboom. I'm going to read through these directions here because this is not one that I covered last week. On tiny slips of paper, or you could use index cards. You can just cut up your own, make your own little cards. On tiny slips of paper, you're going to write your 18 words. Your cycle 18 words, and then you will also write the word kaboom on one of those. So kaboom. And you'll put all the slips into a cup. You'll pull the slips out one by one and read them aloud. If you get the word kaboom, yell it out and put all the slips back in the cup and start over again. So the kaboom is just something that will make you stop going through the words, and you have to put them back in a cup. So you'll take all of your slips of paper that you make, write your words down on them. One slip of paper will say the word kaboom. I'm going to write it out on here. Just like this. All right. And you can put those words, it says into a cup, you could put them into a bowl, you could put them into a bag, something where you can't see what the word is. And then as you start to pull those words out, you will read the word out. Okay. But when you come to that word kaboom, you're going to put everything back in the cup and start all over again. Have a great time with that, guys. And I'm looking so forward to seeing you on our Zoom meeting today at 12:30. Bye.